In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder in Wrike. Let's walk through the process together, and pretty soon, you'll be collaborating with ease. First things first, you need to access your Wrike account and navigate to the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface where all your projects and folders are organized. This is your central hub for managing tasks and files within Wrike. So, go ahead and locate the folder you want to share. It's important to ensure you're in the right workspace, especially if you manage multiple projects or accounts. The next step is to click on the three dots located next to your folder. This tiny icon might seem insignificant, but it holds a lot of options and features that are essential for managing your files. Clicking on the three dots here will open up a context menu, giving you several options tailored according to your folder. Now, among the options presented in this menu, the one you need to select is Share. This is a crucial step as it allows you to manage who can view or edit the contents of the folder you're working on. Sharing can mean boosting productivity and collaboration within your team, making sure everyone is on the same page about your project's objectives. Once you've hit the Share button, you will then need to choose where exactly you want to share this folder. Wrike gives you multiple sharing options, allowing you to tailor your sharing settings according to your needs. You might want to share it with a specific person, a team, or perhaps even across the entire department. Take your time to select the best option that fits your requirements. Carefully making your sharing decision is critical, but you might find that there are more detailed settings you want to adjust. In this case, look for the Advanced option. By clicking on Advanced, you get access to more specific sharing permissions. This level of detail ensures that users only get the appropriate level of access needed for the project, maintaining both security and efficiency. After setting all of your preferences in the advanced settings, don't forget to finalize your choices by clicking on Save. This last step is essential to apply all the settings you've meticulously set up. A simple click ensures everything is stored correctly, allowing your colleagues easy access to the folder as per the permissions you've granted them. And there you have it. You are now equipped to share folders within Wrike like a pro. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless collaborative environment for you and your team. Remember, efficient sharing and management of resources are crucial for any project's success. So keep practicing, customize your permissions as needed, and happy collaborating.